Okay, so let's take a look at some of the themes that are built into WordPress. Later in my videos on WordPress, I'll show you actually how to build your own custom themes in WordPress, actually in Dreamweaver. But let's start with what WordPress has. And again, we can come on into our dashboard and we'll find as we come over to Appearance that we have these themes. Now, these are the two default themes that WordPress comes with. And you can install either one of them. But let's actually take a look at the different themes that we can install. So if we want to do a holiday, there's all these different ones, but I'm just going to come down and hit Find Themes, and we'll see all these different ones that come up. And there's quite a bit. There's a lot, without a doubt, to be found. And I'm going to click onto this one, and I am going to install this. So it installs. We can say this theme requires a parent theme. Now we're going to hit activate. Okay, and there we have it. We can see that we have this theme now installed. Now let's take a look and see if we can find our, let's go to the default child theme. Hold on. Child theme. Let's get this installed properly. We'll save options. And let's come on back. Let's visit our site. And there we have it. So this one doesn't work so well with it, but let's see what we have. We can see that we are starting to have these different ones. Now, I don't think this one works too well with this. Let's come back and let's try another one. But again, you can see that we have all of these different things inside of here. So let's try another one. Maybe we want one that's a little bit more simple. Now, I have this one right here, and if I don't like it too much, I can actually get rid of it. So how I'd want to do that is I'd want to come on in, come to Themes, Theme Options. All right, now again, you're going to find that quite a bit times there'll be, you'll have upgrade and then there'll be costs with things. But let's try a different theme. So we're going to come to Themes, we're going to go to Install Themes, and we're going to Find Themes. Let's go with one that's a little bit more simple, that is kind of set up in the same way. We'll go for Magazine Basic. I like this one. So I'll hit Install. Again, it runs through this, and we come to Activate. Now we can also customize it, and this is where we might want to come in and look at all these different ways that we can customize it, and that's always a good thing, of different ways that we can go in and change it. So we can come on into the tagline, just on the WordPress site. I could change this. Okay, title, I'm going to change this actually over to Pea Seedlings. All right, I could come and grab an image. There's a lot that we can do, and we can keep going back in and editing this up, and it will give you really a lot of options. But let's take a look here. Magazine created. We can see all the rights reserved at the bottom. I think that this one works much better than the other one that we had. Page 2, sample page. These are our different pages that we've created. And again, we can come in and change things around quite a bit. Save and publish. We can close this up, and we can come right back. We can come in and we look at managing our themes. These are the themes that we have. And sometimes if we have too many, we might want to delete them. So for instance, I don't want to use this one. So I'm going to hit delete. Okay. And then I'd come on in over to here. I'll hit delete. Okay. And there we have it. That's a great way to work with themes. I think you can see as you look in here all of the different possibilities that you can do. We can come in, we could work with the header. You could select an image to be shown at the top of your header. And let's see, I could browse and I could come on in and grab that image, which I have. If I come on in to HT Docs, and I come on into here and I come, let's take a look. There's my background, but I can find my header. Right, I have a header background and a header type. Let's see, header type. Let's see if we refresh it. All right, let me get this to work. Hold on. Something wrong when I was pushing this in, but this is actually what it looks like. And then there we can see it. Come on back, visit our site. So there are lots of things that we can do to change things up. And there we have it. There is the beginning of themes. Now, one other thing, actually, I'll end there. Beginning of working with the themes that are built inside of WordPress. Thanks so much.